If you like cauliflower, I have a recipe for you today to try. I feel like we've been on a little bit of a journey with cauliflower over the last couple years. I remember all the rage coming out about how cauliflower is so good for you and you can use it as pizza crust and all this other stuff. And then all of a sudden cauliflower went to like $6 a pop. That was tough times for cauliflower lovers, but things have evened out. We're back to normal and I still love cauliflower like I always have. So low carbing it a little bit, doing something a little healthier. I'm gonna go through a recipe with you today that is cauliflower based. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. My name is Sylvia and I'm excited to share a recipe with you today. So obviously we need cauliflower as our main ingredients. A lot of the other ingredients that we need are household staples, so just follow along with me, and you can always find my recipes on thesillikitchen.com if you need to reference it, or go for groceries and sort of make sure you have a list for all the items that you need. Now, in order to make cauliflower rice, which is kind of the first step of the recipe, if you love knife skills and you're good with just cutting it up into tiny little pieces and then running your knife over it, I love doing that because I think cutting vegetables is therapeutic. Call me crazy, but I love it. If you would like to attempt another method, get your food processor out and cut your cauliflower into chunks, then sort of chop it in your food processor and you will get a very similar, maybe even better result. Time to put it all together. I am going to cook up chicken thighs in my frying pan, sear them on both sides, and then finish cooking them with the lid on. I'm going to remove them from the pan and set them aside and keep all of that deliciousness from the chicken on that bottom of the pan to continue cooking. I'm adding in diced onions and green onions and letting them cook out until they're a bit soft, grating in a little bit of fresh ginger and adding in frozen peas and carrots, getting those all cooked up and warm as we layer in our flavors. Simple salt and pepper go in next, and a little swirl of sesame oil. Now, chicken, you've got that all done, so just chop it up on the side and then throw it back into the pan to get it to start kind of coming together with all of those flavors. And because I use the processor for my cauliflower and it is really, really small, I'm throwing it in sort of at the end here with a little bit of soy sauce to finish cooking this and bringing it together. Garnish it with anything that you want. I'm going to use the top of my green onions because it works well. Easy peasy, delicious, and healthy. If you try this recipe, comment below and let me know what you think. If you love cauliflower, if you're like, stick to rice, that is fine too. To each their own. I think everyone should just enjoy the food that they like. I am here to inspire and hopefully get you cooking at home more. And I hope that you stick around for more recipes from the Silly Kitchen. Thank you.